5 food spots you need to try out in Glendale, California. Welcome to Glendale, where 40% of the population is Armenian. Not all the food places we're gonna go to are Armenian owned. The first spot is Cuban owned, and it's Porto's. So here we go. I'm pretty excited for these. We got our butter croissant, we got a churro croissant, a chocolate croissant, a blueberry cheese roll, a regular cheese roll, and I think this is the, what was this? The guava. I think this is the guava cheese roll. Let's dig into it. We're gonna start with the churro croissant. It just looks fun. Oh yeah. All those flaky layers in there, it's so airy. Looks incredible. They do an awesome job here. Everything you love about a churro, but in a croissant. This thing is incredible. I'm pretty excited to see what's in the chocolate croissant. This is something my kids order all the time. Ah, okay. So the chocolate bits, they're inside. It's dipped on the outside, but inside, it's just a croissant. It's like a healthier option. Gotta take a bite. There's a layer of chocolate on the bottom. You can kind of see deep down in there, there's a layer of chocolate that goes across the bottom with croissant on the top. Porto's, it's infamous for these potato balls. It gets people coming all the time. They buy them dozen after dozen. I mean, every party that I'm at, somebody comes and brings a potato ball. Let's take a look at the inside. Perfectly fried on the outside. It's light, fluffy. There's beef on the inside, peppers, onions. It's super seasoned. These things are always a hit. Oh, wow. I bet you can't eat just one. As far as desserts go, these things are picture perfect. Whether you're eating it here or taking it to a party to go, these things are always a big hit. They just look so incredible. I'm just gonna use my hands. Flaky, custardy, this fires on all cylinders. The Cubano sandwich, a staple in Cuban cuisine. It's basically pork and ham with mustard, some sauce, and some Swiss cheese, I think. They got a bunch of sandwiches on the menu, but we gotta go with the classic. There's pickles in it. Next up, Zhengalov hots. Hails from Artsakh, which is a flatbread made with 26 different herbs and greens. Here, they do it a little bit different. It's a little bit less, but still, it's gonna be awesome. So here we go. I always kind of considered this like a vegan quesadilla. What you got is this incredible flatbread, and instead of that cheese, the greens inside kind of cook down. They get soft, delicious. It's packed with flavor, and it's kind of something you've never experienced before. I like to hit mine with a little bit of red pepper, give it a little spice. That's fantastic. You can taste all the herbs. It kind of blends together in perfect harmony. Reminds me of Atsa. This is great. You gotta come. They're Michelin guided here too. Finishing it off with a little bit of Armenian Baklava, which is not like the traditional baklava that you're used to. It doesn't have that flaky phyllo dough on the top. This is a little bit of a roll dough stuffed with walnuts. It's pretty incredible. A little herbal tea. Here we go. Ooh, it's got a little solid crust on it. That's awesome. Not too sweet, not overpowering. You get the walnuts in there. You can't get that everywhere. That's delicious. Little herbal tea. Hot tea on a hot summer day. Here you go, Josh.
We'll use the power of friendship.
Next up, we got Sauce Bakery. You know you can't do a Glendale food tour without a little lahmajun in your life, and maybe a piroshki or two. Come on. Here at Sauce, they got the freshly rolled dough. They got a bunch of new items like these freshly baked breads, delicious, made to order pretty much. Piroshki, which is like meat that's inside of dough and then fried or baked, and a bunch of different borek flavors. Borek, we grew up calling it borek. People call it khachapuri. It's essentially dough stuffed with cheese, some stuff with spinach, all the things. Delicious lahmajun. It's got a nice thin crust. It's like a flatbread with meat layered on top, no sauce. I grew up calling this an Armenian pizza, but I guess they make it all over the Middle East. But out here, if you ask for an Armenian pizza, you're gonna get lahmajun. Hit it with a little lemon. And then I was always a triangle folder. You can roll it up, eat it however you want. Oh, fantastic. You got that crispy bread on the outside. The meat is perfectly seasoned. I mean, I can eat like 20 of these things. I always like to wash it down. Little tan, yogurt drink. Not for the faint of heart. It's not a vanilla milkshake. It's delicious. Oh, nostalgic. If you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps. Onto the piroshki. Delicious dough stuffed with meat. Has got this nice crunchy texture on the outside. Super soft and fluffy. This thing looks delicious. Oh, that's hot. Oh yeah. That's hot. Look at that. Spinach borek, spinach seasoning stuffed into dough. Delicious and nutritious. When my grandma used to pick me up from school, this spicy cheese borek was something I always got. Basically like a cheese quesadilla, but a little spicy. The dough is a little different too. Next up, mini kebab. You know, we can't actually have a Glendale food tour without throwing some kebab at you. Mini kebab has quickly become a staple in this community with its amazing made-to-order fresh kebabs. It's a small little spot that delivers some of the best kebab you're gonna get in all of Glendale. And by the way, all of these spots we've been to today are within about a mile of each other. So if you wanted to ride your bike to all of them, you can, or just take a quick tour with a car. Sometimes there aren't that many places to sit here. Hey, that's okay. You can take it to go. It's just as good. Or you can just eat it on the side of the street, like I like to do. Look at that lule. Delicious lamb chops, chicken lule, and this deliciously marinated chicken kebab. Super secret marinade. Tender, juicy, delicious. Here we go. Hit it with a lule, little onion, boom. Oh, wow, that's fire. That's so good. Lamb chop, little yogurt dip. Perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned. You never want to overcook that lamb. You got a little bit of pink inside, just the way I like it. Got to do a bite of that chicken with a jalapeno. It's so tender, so flavorful, so juicy. You can really taste it. Everything here is made from scratch. It's made in-house. They fabricate all of their chicken, and those flavors really come out. A lot of places you'll see them kind of cheat here and there. That's not what they do here. And it's something that really comes out every bite that you take. It's incredible. And lastly, number 5, Sarkis pastry. We gotta finish it off with some desserts. This is one of the most famous pastry places in all of Glendale. Pretty much everybody knows about it. Cakes, cookies, desserts, baklava, whatever you want, these guys got it. Let's check it out. So we got an assortment of different Moushabbak here. It's got this glaze and tackiness to it, dough that's fried, crispy, and delicious. It's like a sweet and tacky donut. An incredible assortment of different baklavas. I mean, they have every shape and size here. It's kind of just different phyllo doughs wrapped with some syrup, pistachios on top, always incredible. And lastly, anytime I'm at a place like this, I gotta get an eclair. Eclairs always remind me of my grandma. It was something that we ate together quite often. They really do it right here. There we go. 5 spots you gotta check out in Glendale, California. Let me know where I should go visit next. Leave it in the comments below. And like always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Oh!